Welcome back. I'm Jill with the carefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for taco soup. Now this is a super simple recipe. It only takes a few minutes to throw together, and it's filled with all of those amazing Southwest flavors that we love. All right, so to get started on this taco soup recipe, here are the ingredients that you are going to need. Okay, so I have an onion, and this is just one medium onion, and it's been chopped up. And then I've got some crushed tomatoes here, and these are fire roasted. Whatever you have on hand works great there. I've got some kidney beans and some black beans. Any beans will work. I like doing a can of each. It adds just like a little bit different color and texture in there. I have some ground beef, and this is cooked. You can definitely use some raw ground beef, and that's usually what I use, but I had some of this left over from another meal, so I'm going to incorporate it into this one. This is frozen corn, but you can definitely use canned corn too. I just like using the frozen corn, and I usually have that on hand. And this is a super sweet white corn, which is my favorite. And then I've got some green chilies, and this is 1 packet of taco seasoning, or you can use 4 tablespoons of taco seasoning powder, and then a little bit of garlic too. Okay, and to get started, I'm just going to add in a couple tablespoons of cooking oil, and I like to use the avocado oil. And then I will add in my onions here, and I'm just going to saute these until they are golden brown. Okay, and then to that I'm going to add my garlic. And garlic cooks pretty quickly, so I'm just going to cook it here for another about minute until that turns translucent. Okay, and if you were cooking raw ground beef, now is when you would add it, and then you could add a little bit of water to help break that up a little bit. Since mine is cooked, I don't need to do that. So there's 1 pound of beef, and then really after that it's just kind of dump and go. We have our green chilies, black beans, and you can leave the juice in them, kidney beans, and then my crushed tomatoes, and the corn, and the taco seasoning. Now we're just going to mix this all in. And if it seems like you need more liquid, you could add a little bit of chicken stock or beef stock, or just a little bit of water would work too. If I have a little bit of extra salsa in the fridge, you could add a half a cup of salsa to this. Now really all you need to do is stir this until it's completely heated through, and you're ready to serve it. And then I'm going to add about half a cup of chicken stock, and that's optional just if it looks like it needs a little bit more liquid. All right, so you're just going to heat this for 5 to 7 minutes until it comes to a low simmer, and then you are ready to eat. All right, here is my easy taco soup recipe. It's filled to the brim with corn and beans and ground beef. It's thick and rich and hearty and perfect for any weeknight meal. We love to serve this with shredded cheese, sour cream, maybe some diced avocados or tomatoes. This really is a simple 1-pot dinner recipe that everyone can agree on. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for taco soup. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I will show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you next time.